in a video just to show you guys what basically the new halo rings compared to the older halo rings look like. When you do get the halo rings, it is going to come with the wiring here. Everything is not going to be connected, but I'm going to show you guys how to connect it. All right, now this wiring, the halo ring is going to come like this by itself. Then it's going to come with this, which is the Morimoto XBT, the connector. It's going to have also this connector where you can tap it into your signal, so when the headlights turn on, this will turn off. So you just tap this wire into the turn signal, and not to the turn signal, to the headlight, and then this will turn off the halo rings when you're driving. But you don't want that, so you don't connect that because you want it to run if you're running your headlights or whatever. Okay, so it's basically everything with this is just basically going to be plug and play. It basically plugs this halo ring into the resistor. It has to be plugged into this XBT resistor. If you do not plug this into the XBT resistor and you just plug it into the Bluetooth controller box into the plug here, you're going to short out the halo ring and the halo ring will burn out. So make sure you plug in the load resistor to the halo ring, right? And then you plug the load resistor. The load resistor plugs into the halo ring, right? Into the wiring, into the halo ring. And then you plug the load resistor into the Bluetooth controller, just like that. If you want to unclip it, you just press the tab here, lift it, and just pull it off. And that's it. And that's how you hook it up. The same thing goes for the Demon Eyes, which is this. This is the Demon Eyes. This is what Demon Eyes look like. They do have new ones out, a new version out. Also, the new Halo ring. They also have the Prism. They have the Prism Halos and the Prism Demon Eyes out now. They're different than the way they were before. I have a new Prism Halo here, to show you guys the difference. This is the Prism Halo, and this is the older Halos, the XBT Halos, and these are the new Prism ones, the brand new ones that they have out. It has like a gel coating around it. They're really, really nice. I haven't installed this one yet, but I will be installing this one. Okay, that's about it. And the Demon Eyes, just like I was saying before, the controller box that I have here, this controller box, like I said, it has, 3 different channels. There's channel 1, 2, and 3. It has 3 different channels with 2 sets of wires. This is what the controller looks like off the car. Because the other video I made was on the car, so this one's off the car. I actually have another XBT Bluetooth controller. This is my second one. I'll probably use this one and install this one in the BMW to get Demon Eyes on the BMW. Not sure yet, but I'll see. So this is the Bluetooth controller here, and like I said, it's channel 1, 2, 3, and then this is the 12 volt. The power and the power and the ground wire to plug into the whatever you're plugging into, whatever power source that you're plugging it into. So basically, these are the 3 sets. Comes with 2 sets of wiring, so you can plug into 2 halo rings, 2 Demon Eyes, and 2 LED strips. This controller box, you don't plug into the Acme the LED strip. Like the LED strip that I was showing you guys in my other video. It doesn't plug into that. This goes by itself. So basically, when you're using the halo rings and the Demon Eyes, you're only using, when you're using the halo rings and the Demon Eyes, you're only using 2 channels. It's only using, probably channel 1 and channel 2. Yeah, you're probably using channel 1 and channel 2. But if you want, you can put 2 on channel 1 and then you can put one on channel 2 and then one on channel 3. So, you know, you can separate the colors to make them all different. So just make sure when you plug in the halo rings or anything into this Bluetooth controller box, make sure the load resistor, the resistor is connected to it. Make sure the resistor is connected to it so you can, so it doesn't short out your halo rings or your demon eyes. So basically right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in the demon eyes to one channel, and I'm going to connect the halo ring to one channel. And I'm going to use my tablet to control it. So this is the halo ring, and this is the demon eyes. So what I'm going to do is connect the power to my power source here, ground, to the ground port, and there they go, they're both on. Now turn on my tablet. And the tablet automatically connected. It says right here, XP Bluetooth controller, boom, it's connected. Oh, what's going on? There's like so many stuff opened up on my tablet. Okay. I'll give it to you from a different angle from the side. So it's not as crazy bright. I think I gotta reset this. I'm gonna reset the Bluetooth on the thing because it's acting stupid. So right now, using a tablet to go through the colors. This was the older halo rings, and let me see if I can control the third one by itself. Alright, that's the halo ring. It's that. Demon eye is changing also, but you can barely see it too much. Shows more throughout the lens and the module. Let me see if I can kind of weed this on this. Okay. So the demon eye is in there. And this is how I set it up, like, and the demon eye just sits, this demon eye sits on the top, like in there, and then the halo ring sits right here in front of the housing. But I glued this onto the housing. I glued it on. But what I did was, in order for this to fit better, well, this is an 80mm ring. The one that you need is a 70mm for the Acura TLs. It's a 70mm, but I have an 80 here. So what I did was, I just cut the housing down here. I cut right here so the halo ring could drop down. And for the other people that wanted to put a halo ring here on the side in this, for the other people that wanted to put a halo ring like right here, on this other one, all you got to do is get a big halo ring, probably like 90mm, cut the base here, cut like a little groove here on the base so the halo ring could sit in it, and then just sit the halo ring in, and boom, you're good to go. Like, it's not that difficult as long as you know what to do. So, demonize. There you go. You got your demon eyes and your halo rings together in one. And then, you know, from the tablet. Try a different input for the demon eyes. So now I'm just gonna see, it's in signal 1, so now I'm just gonna change hold up. See how they're changing? It's blue and green. The halo in the back. And you can strobe to make them fade. Just pick up the speed for them to fade and go. Turn back on. It's just a lot of different things you can do with this. Then you go to party mode. Speed it up. The color changing process. It's really, really neat. It's really cool. You can do a lot of different things with this. Setting up this headlight thing it's not even super hard. It's not even difficult. It's really easy. I have the party mode on. Like it's really simple. It's not difficult. Fade in and out of different colors. It's all different things. Just wanted to show you guys how the demon eyes and everything comes together on the headlight. It's really, really simple. It's really not that difficult. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And if you guys have any questions, make sure you contact me, hit me up, write me a message, add me on Instagram. Like I said, as long as you make sure you connect these controller boxes, make sure you connect these resistors to it. Make sure you connect those resistors to the Bluetooth controller, and then you connect the halo rings or the demon eyes to the other end of the wire up here, and it just snaps right in, and then you just connect everything and then give it power from the other video that I have. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Thanks.